Good morning to everybody. Namaskar. Suswagatam. Yes, very, very morning. Yes, 13 people are very much present by this time. Yeah, appreciate and everybody joined with their hot ticket number and no one committed a mistake this time. It's well and good. Let me check. Yes. Hall ticket number 1031. You need not to write a HT number. Just you can write 18068L. You write L, not small L, that capital L. Capital L 1031. So that was the mistake. Then again the 1029. Please note that it is not HT number. You need not to write. You write just merely with your
You
18 series.
go to
Yes,
can
yes,
go to settings and remove that HT, sir.
yes, yes. Please, you can now you can go away. There you can come with the actual number. You can remove. You can leave the meeting and you can add it, and then you enter it. I will open you. You need not to stay in the lobby. Yes, this is the thing which I want to share it now, and this is a good morning sign. You might have seen it before the other people will join it. Let me test you how far. And I don't know how many knows this. Today is what is today?
Yes, sir.
What is today? I shared. I shared in the. I shared in the screen. Today is the International Day of the World's indigenous people. That is the 9th August. Of course, UNO made such a thing, but it is not a public holiday because their contributions are there. That's why they made it for the indigenous. Because here I wrote the United Nations, that is the UN International Day of the World's Indigenous People, is observed on the August 9th each year to promote and protect the rights of the world's indigenous population. This event also
Indigenous
recognizes
means exclusively people living in tribal areas, sir.
yes, that is called the indigenous people. Yes, and contribution to the indigenous people to make the improvement world issue, such as an environmental protection, because these people will pioneer in the protection of the environment. So, indigenous people today is the United Nations made such a thing. That's why I have shown this, and I posted also. I don't know how many people saw this by posting in the morning. That is the International Day of the World's Indigenous People. That is the 9th August. Before the other people will join there, let me check. Do you know what is this tree? Yes, anyone? I have shown on the screen the tree. TRRE tree. TREE tree. Yes, good morning.
Is
Assalamu
it mango
alaikum.
tree, sir?
Yes,
Is
please
mango.
observe. Okay, I will show the fruits so that you could see it. At least I can show the fruits of the tree. Yes, now you can tell
Ma-
me.
mango, sir.
మంచిగా చూడండి. మామిడి ఆకులు ఎట్లుంటాయి ఈ ఆకులు ఎట్లుంటాయి తెలియదా సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ కూడా చూపెడతా ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పగలుగుతారు మీరు
సార్ అవకోడా
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పగలుగుతారు
సార్ అవకోడా
పడేన్
అవకోడా
అవకాడో నాకు అది అవకాడో కాదండి
సారీ
అవకాడో
సారీ
ఇస్ మోస్ట్లీ గ్రోన్ ఇన్ ద ఆఫ్రికన్ కంట్రీ చెప్పలేకపోయారా పోనీ కనీసం ఇది చెప్పినా చెప్పగలుగుతారు ఇప్పుడు ఎస్ నవ్ యూ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్
I think they are olive trees.
ఆలివ్ అది ఇప్పుడు చెప్పగలిగారు మీరు ఎందుకంటే యుఎన్ఓ లోగోలో మనకు తెలుసు వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ ఉంటది దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బ్లూ కలర్ అండ్ ఆలివ్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ అండ్ ఆలివ్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ ఆలివ్ బ్రాంచెస్ ఆర్ సింబల్ ఆఫ్
UNO.
సింబల్
UNO.
ఆఫ్
Peace.
peace.
United.
That is the actual I want. Olive leaves are the symbol of peace. What about India? What is the symbol of peace? India.
White color.
తెల్ల పావురం కాదండి
Yes, yes. Pigeon.
Yeah. Yes. So that is the reason that I have shown you, because this is a, even I myself also did not see the tree, and today I saw the olive tree, and these are the olive fruits. And olive oil is very good for the health, but it is too much heat. Don't take exactly, because olive oil mixed with some other oil, then you can take it. But in salads, olive oil could be used over there. Of course, it is not the part of the curriculum today activity, but anyway, that I would like to show the indigenous. International
Sir,
Day
sir,
that
good
the
morning,
UNO
sir.
made it. Yes.
Good morning,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Good
good
morning,
morning,
sir.
good morning, good morning. Very, very
Sir,
morning. Yes, yes, I heard
really,
it.
I'm happy to see olive fruits, sir. I don't know whether tree gives fruits, sir. I know olive oil. Oil maybe
Yes,
is from
these are the olive fruits, these are. And this is
We
the
too
olive tree.
don't know, sir.
olive trees.
Such a type of fruit
But
exists.
about fruits, I don't know. The first time I'm seeing that.
And
Thank you for
yeah, this is the
initiating,
symbol
sir.
for the
It's a
peace.
new knowledge for me.
Yes, yes,
Sir.
that is a symbol for the peace. And today I want to share this thing, United Nations International Day, and is the International Day of the Worlds. Then those who are the latecomers, yes, for them again, the good morning to them. GOOD, good morning. That is the sign which I made there. Now I will come back to my, and I am very much happy today, 1075, because he is very much present from the beginning. And when I opened it, I saw 1075. I don't know whether she is present or he is present. No, 18 series, no. 1075. Yes, now you can on your video, audio, at least audio, and then you can give me the Pushpalata, Changarapu Pushpalata. Now you tell me, Changarapu Pushpalata, are you there? Yes. Changarapu Pushpalata, you can say, good morning, then you can start the things. No, she was not present, because when I opened it, she was present at the time, at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes before. Then she disappeared, Chengarapu Pushpalata. It could no matter, because it is a rehearsal. And now I am sure that today that everybody will give the answer to my questions, because now you are becoming more expert than me. And anyway, that I would like to share the Viva was a question on behalf of the complainant proposition 1. Yes, then I will remove it from here. Then I will ask you that here what I am showing here, what is CCI or ICC in the case of Subhash Yadav versus Force Motor Limited. And here I have shown the screen. Hence you can know that is a Competition Commission of India or India Competition Commission of case number. So if a examiner asks what is CCI, don't say cricket board, and you hear the commission, Competition Commission of India, or we can say India Competition Commission. That is the wording they usually have to use it, because I am making you in all the means. Generally, they may not ask you this much, but I want to see that in any nook and corner, if they ask it, also you should not get it fear, and you should be bold enough to give the reply. That is my intention, and that is my motto. And the second question is a dash CPA that I made it. I already made 1986 CPA, where that case was filed is under the section 24 capital A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why? Suppose if I read small a, what will happen?
This denotes class, sir. Class.
It is not a clause. Can anybody say why is the capital A would be inserted? Anybody?
This is subsection.
No.
Amended. Amended, sir. Amended.
Yes. Anyone? Capital A. Why it is mentioned? Why not small a?
Amended, sir. Amended clause.
It is amended clause made it later part. Whenever the amended clause will be added to the section, it will be represented by the capital letters. That you have to keep in your mind. See, there are many amendments done to the IPC. So whenever the amendments are there, the capital letters are used over there. That is the want that in any case my students doesn't want to show the zero face before the examiner, because Professor Hussain, students like a Professor Hussain, and more than that. That's my intention. Yes. Then the whether the present case problem one is appeal case to the state commission, is it not? Is it not?
No, sir,
Yes.
it's not an appeal.
It is not an appeal, but it is a directly put it over there. First instance case only. It is
Because
not appeal case.
the jurisdiction
Only
of
the
certain
it is not an appeal case actually. Whether the present case problem is an appeal case to the state commission, the answer is no.
no.
You give me the answer why. Now I don't want to share it because yes. Now you give me the answer for the
Because
question.
Original
it is the
petition,
first instance case, sir, and
original appeal.
jurisdiction
Only one should have to speak.
the
Okay,
jurisdiction comes under.
okay. Now, let me ask a particular person. Let me ask a particular person. Yes, here, L triple one, there is no such a letter triple one because the last four digits it should have to come. And here he did not mention the last digit. Who is 111? The last digit is not mentioned. Please, you mention the last digit and later you tell me. Okay, now you tell me and you can on your microphone, you tell me why it is filed in the state commission. Speak. See, you are open the you are a speaker, but you are not speaking.
Sir. 3118 is mine, but I don't know after 31 there are many. I
No,
mentioned 8.
what is the last number? Triple one
Eight,
is
sir.
there,
One is
but the
eight.
last digit some person did not mention whether it is you.
I don't know.
No,
I
you
mentioned
you can on your video so that I could see your face, whether you or not.
Dr. Saab, you missed 8.
You on your video. Yes. You missed the 8 there, Dr. Saab. 111 is
8
there,
is
but
there,
you
sir.
missed the 8. So 8 should be present. Correct, Dr. Saab. Now you tell me why it is filed in the state commission. Why not in the district forum or district commission?
It is a territorial jurisdiction, sir, because till 2019 it was only 20 lakhs limitation was there. So when beyond it is there, state commission will take into, so it directly approach the commission.
Very good, very good. That is the answer for the question because at that time, 1986, it is only 20 lakhs is the district forum, but now the district forum can be termed as a district commission and the pecuniary jurisdiction is raised. We can say raised instead of say raised. You can use the Professor Hussain terminology, escalated.
Sir, escalated.
See, when you speak like a Professor Hussain terminology that is hiked
Yes, sir.
or escalated. Instead of saying raised, you say escalated or enhanced. Rather, we can use such a word because it is a new terminology. Like earlier, we are to say the seminars. Now we are conducting the webinars. And earlier, we used to say bibliography. Now we are saying bibliography. WEBLIGO GRA graphy GRO or GRAPHY. So that is the terminology that you used over there. So that is what I want to say. Now, that's up. You can turn off your video and audio. Then I am going to ask the other people the question. Yes, yes. Now I will made it out. Where? Yes, it is found here. Indigenous TQ. One problem. Yes, now I found it. Yeah, coming to the point again, that is the answer for that question which is given. Whether the state commission may, at any stage of the proceeding, transfer any complaint pending before the district forum to another district forum within the state in the interest of justice, so require. So my point is here is whether the state commission will transfer the case from one district forum to another district forum in the same state. If the answer is yes, then what would be the section under the Consumer Protection Act? Anyone?
17 subsection A clause I, sir. Class 1.
I said transfer. I did not say appeal.
So I can say yes, but I don't know
17
the
A,
section.
sir.
Yeah, that is the ground for directly going from the district court to the high court. That is the section which we mentioned, and you mentioned this section. Here, I would like to share the thing so that you could know. You are mentioning this section, And but I want the answer in a different style. Yes. Yes, you mentioned this section now. Here I am showing. Yes, you mentioned this section where the file is went to the court under section 17, small, that is the class A, subsection A and class 1. This is the ground where you can go from the district court to the high court, either in the first instance or directly to the appeal also. Both the way we can use it. But here at the first instance, because the pecuniary jurisdiction, the district forum doesn't have, that's why that we approached it. But my point is, from one district to another district, can a state will transfer the case, state commission? If so, what section is there?
Yes, sir. Like High Court can transfer one court from one case from one district to another district.
Hmm.
The State Commission has also such power, but I don't know the section.
You see, I shared it. You can check it, and they can give me the answer. Anyone can read it. Only one. I shared it on the screen. Question number 4. This
Whether
is
the state
Section
commission
17A, sir. Section 17A of
Capital
Consumer
A.
Protection Act.
yes,
Capital
capital A. Section 17, capital A. With that Consumer Protection Act, they can transfer one case from one
So
district
it is
to
an
another
amendment,
district.
sir. It is an amendment.
Yeah, it is an amendment because A is there means amendment. Anybody can make it out because I also asked that what is the difference in between the dismissed and disposed? Yes, what is the
Case
difference
is
between a
settled.
dismissed?
Case is settled. That is disposed. Case is rejected. That is dismissed.
Okay, I will give the answer for that one. Disposed is much wider than the dismissed.
Shall I give it, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir,
You want to give the answer?
actually, disposal and dismissal.
Yeah,
under
dismissed and
disposal-
disposed.
Yes, the dismissed means total file is closed, dismissed, the case will not be taken up. But in
Okay.
disposal, case will be taken up, disposed either in the opposed party or late party, whatever it is.
Which is genus, which is species?
Sir, disposed is genus. Dismissed is species.
Good. Here I will give the more explanation is when an action is dismissed, then the court is closing the matter without taking a decision on the merits, as that sir said. And commonly for a procedural reason. Commonly for a procedural reason. Whereas a disposition means the matter has been decided on the merits and judgment or order passed. So disposed, decided on the merits or
In
judgment passed.
disposed, dismissal is there, but in dismissal, disposal is not there.
Yeah, that is the point. See here, dismissed based morely, I'm saying, on technical ground. It is on the technical ground morely, it will be dismissed over there. Yes, what is the difference between occupation and profession? We asked last time this thing. I don't know whether other people. Okay, I will ask one person. No, I will ask a particular person because I will give the chance to the other people also participate. That's my intention. And other persons, yes, participants list, I saw it here. And Dr. Saab, next time when you enter it, you enter with the correct number, Dr. Saab.
I'll enter, sir.
Okay.
I have to not notice it.
Okay.
That's-
1074. Yeah, on your audio and video, I want to see your face also. 1074. చెప్పంగానే ఆన్ చేయాలండి. ఇట్లా
Good morning,
నోట్లకెళ్ళి
morning,
మాట
sir.
ఆన్ చేయండి. 1074.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Yes. Now you tell me what is the difference between a profession and occupation?
Profession means like lawyer, sir. Profession.
Okay.
Occupation means business. వృత్తి అంటారు కదా.
తెలుగులో చెప్పండి ఏంటిది అది వృత్తి అంటే?
ఆక్యుపేషన్ అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక బిజినెస్ కి సంబంధించింది చేయడం, సార్. వ్యాపారం.
చెప్పులు కుట్టేటోళ్ళని ఏమంటారండి తెలుగులో? అది ఇంగ్లీష్ లో అన్నా చెప్పండి. చెప్పులు కుట్టేటోళ్ళను పాలిష్ చేస్తారు చూడండి, శాండిల్ తెగి
ఆ, ఆ. వాళ్ళని
కాబ్లర్ అంటారు.
కాబులర్ అంటారు. అది వృత్తియా, అది వృత్తియా ప్రొఫెషన్ అయింది?
వృత్తి సార్, అది నాట్ ప్రొఫెషన్.
అది వృత్తి అయితే అయితే వాడే ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, దాంట్లో ట్రైన్డ్ ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడే అయితే ప్రొఫెషన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, క్లోజ్ డౌన్ నౌ, యూ క్లోజ్ డౌన్ ఎనఫ్, దట్ మచ్ ఇస్ ఎనఫ్, యూ పాస్ ఇన్ ద టుడే టెస్ట్. ఎస్. సో నౌ ద క్వశ్చన్ కమ్స్ ఓవర్ దేర్. The next question, because somebody is ringing, I told them that is a today's class is there. Yeah. Now, next, the question which I would like to ask is, yeah, that is the thing. Occupation is an activity undertaken by the person to earn his livelihood, and like barber, porter, cobbler, washerman, laundryman. These are all the because for the livelihood they do it. It can be business or profession or employment that a person undertakes to make money. But a profession is an activity that requires a specialized training, knowledge, qualification, and skill. But please note that point. Teachers is not a teacher doesn't come under the ambit of the profession. That's why there is no case against the teacher. Are you following me? Yes. See now, I want to say, see, షష్ఠి పూర్తిని అంటారు కదండి. షష్ఠి పూర్తిని ఎప్పుడు అంటారండి? షష్ఠి పూర్తి
One complete 60 years of life.
16 years, sir.
60 years దాటిన వాళ్ళను 60 to 69 years లని ఏమని, what do you call in English? 60 to 60 years వాళ్ళను.
Sir, sexagenarians.
Okay. You are very near. You are 60 దాటితే citizen అంటారు కానీ
Sexagenarian.
senior citizen.
sexagenarian. 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 SEXAGENARIAN.
Yes, sir.
Sexagenarian. Sexagenarian means a person who crossed the 60, like the octogenarian, a person who crossed 80.
SEXAGENARIAN.
Yes. ఓకే, 10 ఏళ్ల నుండి 20 ఏళ్లకు అని అంటానండి, అది చెప్పండి. 10 ఏళ్ల నుండి 19 సంవత్సరాల వరకు ఏమని చెప్పాలా? కాళ్ళే
Adolescent, sir.
Teenager.
నో కరెక్ట్. అడల్సెంట్ అని చెప్పచ్చు 10 to 15 వరకు. బట్ టర్మినాలజీ విల్ సే డెనారియన్. డెకా అంటే తెలుసు కదా, డెనారియన్, DENARIAN, డెనారియన్ అంటారు. Because why I am giving is here the age is 30 years.
What is this, sir? Is
Pardon?
it Greek or Egyptian?
Latin.
Sir.
మనకు ఇప్పుడు బెంజిన్ సెక్సాగనాలు ఉంటుంది చూడండి, బెంజిన్
Sir.
ఫార్ములా. Okay, anyway, come to the point. Octogenarian means 80, because a person who is octogenarian generally we can consider as a senile.
Who is 70 years old?
Yeah.
Septuagenarian.
Yes, you are right. Okay, now tell me, what is the synonym for the multi-story building? అబ్బా ఏంటి సార్ మీరు అంతా ఏదేమో అడుగుతాను. అసలు శక్తి క్లాస్ అడగా కానీ ఇష్యూస్ అడగల కానీ ఈ మల్టీ స్టోరీ బిల్డింగ్ ఇంకేమంటారు సార్ అంటే మాకేం తెలుసు సార్. మల్టీ స్టోరీ బిల్డింగ్
అపార్ట్మెంట్ సార్.
పడన్
apartment.
అపార్ట్మెంట్ అంటే 2-3 ఉన్నా పర్వాలేదు, అపార్ట్మెంట్ అంటే. మల్టీ స్టోరీ బిల్డింగ్ ని ఇంకే వేరే పేరేంటిది? సినానిమ్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మల్టీ స్టోరీ బిల్డింగ్? ఓకే, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. టాల్ బిల్డింగ్, స్కై స్క్రాపర్స్, హై రైజ్ బిల్డింగ్, సూపర్
Skyscraper.
ఎస్. కొంచెం మంచి టర్మినాలజీ చెప్పాలంటే స్కై స్క్రాపర్ చెప్పాలి సార్. ఓకే, ఫ్రేజియాలజీ. ఎస్, నౌ ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ ద ఫ్రేజియాలజీ. టర్న్ డెఫ్ ఇయర్ మీన్స్ phraseology. Turn deaf ear means turn deaf ear.
Not listening, sir. Not listening one's words. Not caring.
In the another way, we can say that it means they did not pay any heed or to say or a direction of any person. That's why he turned the deaf ear to my all words. That we will say that is a phraseology. Okay, consumer. పట్టించుకోపోవడం అన్నదాన్ని అంటారు. హూ ఇస్ ఏ కన్స్యూమర్ అండర్ కన్స్యూమర్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ యాక్ట్? విచ్ సెక్షన్ సేస్? I want to ask particular person. Don't give the answer, please, because it's a very easy question, and I want to ask a particular person to see that whether he or she knows it or not. That is my intention. Yes. 1031. 1031. చెప్పాలా?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్
వెరీ వెరీ మార్నింగ్. కొంచెం వీడియో కూడా ఆన్ చేయండి ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఎస్ ఎస్ వెరీ అప్రిషియేట్. వెరీ నౌ యూ కెన్ క్లోజ్ ద వీడియో. యూ కెన్ క్లోజ్ ద వీడియో. గివ్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్. మీరు స్మాల్ ఎల్ రాసిండ్రు, క్యాపిటల్ ఎల్ రాయాలా, జాయిన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు హెచ్టి నెంబర్ తీసి పడేయాలా. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్
రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే సార్, ఓహో నౌ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు ఆస్క్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ విచ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్. కన్స్యూమర్ అనేది ఏ సెక్షన్ కింద డీల్ చేసిండ్రు కన్స్యూమర్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ లో?
సెక్షన్ 17 ఏ సార్ A1.
కన్స్యూమర్ డెఫినేషన్ సెక్షన్ లో కన్స్యూమర్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ లో ఏ సెక్షన్ లో చేశారు?
2 సార్ 2(1)D.
మరి ఇందాక ఏమన్నారండి మీరు? సార్ మంచిగా వినలేదు సార్ నేను. మీకు టెక్నిక్ కూడా చెప్తా నేను. సపోజ్ పుస్తకం ప్రాబ్లం క్వశ్చన్ ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టండి మీరు. ఆనాడు ప్రాబ్లం 1 రోజు అన్ని ఏది అడిగితే అప్పుడు టన్ అని డైరెక్ట్ గా అక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇండికేటర్, పేజ్ ఇండికేటర్లు పెట్టుకోండి. ఇష్యూస్ ఇండికేటర్, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ ఇండికేటర్, కేసెస్ ఇండికేటర్, ప్రేయర్స్ ఇండికేటర్ అట్లా పెట్టుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. ప్రేయర్స్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి అనగానే టక్ పని తీయాలా, ముందట పెట్టేసి చదివేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. పాస్. ఓకే, నౌ టర్న్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ I'm sure that whether I may be hosting, most probably I may host it, and other people may join it. That is the procedure, because it's a very difficult for the other people to handle
You
it.
will be the best host, sir.
Yeah. That's most probably I will host, and they will. Then I will say, yes, so and so number ready on. Sir, అడగండి సార్ అని చెప్పేస్తా సార్కి. సార్ అడుగుతారు. ఇక మీరు ఆన్ చేస్తా ఉంటే ఇక ఏం కాదు. మీరు బనిని దొరుకున్న, అంగేసుకున్న, అంగేయకపోయినా ఏం బాధలేదు, వీడియో ఆన్ చేయకండి. నేనే చెప్తాను ఇక. ఓకే,
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయొద్దంటారా?
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయకండి అన్లెస్ ఎగ్జామినర్ వాంట్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ యూ ఆన్ ద వీడియోను సిగ్నల్స్ డౌన్ అయిపోతాయి మీది. ఎందుకంటే మీద మొబైల్ ఉన్నది, మొబైల్ డేటా ఉన్నది కాబట్టి దోస్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ద వైఫై, ఇట్ ఇస్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ టు దెమ్. ఫర్ మొబైల్ డేటా సిగ్నల్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ
convenient to open the book also.
Yeah. So better open your book, record book, and on your video on చెప్తేనే చేయాలి. లేకుంటే in the beginning everybody have to stop the video, stop the audio, unless I say yes, open it now your audio. That to be that person only has to open it to whose number I have taken or examiner asked. Other people who are not supposed to speak, even they should not give the promptness. ఒక్కసారి మీ దగ్గర ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, you need not to stay, you can leave the meeting. You need not to stay, you can leave the meeting. Okay, now I go further. Now say, please be aware that person, because when you say consumer, it is a consumer definition is given in the section 2 subsection 1 class D of the CP Act of 1986. So that is the thing. So now I will ask a particular person, not nobody should have to give the answer. If they know also, they are not supposed to give the answer unless I will say anyone. Now I will ask them. Okay, thank you very much. 1118 sir, because you joined it very nicely. 111. Okay, 17 guys. Yeah, I will ask this one. Yes, 17 series. 1118. 17 series. 1118 on your audio and on your video also, because I would like to see your face. Tondaraga. 17 series 17068L 1118 on. Yes. ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడండి, కనీసం మాట్లాడండి. మాట్లాడాలా? స్పీక్. మాట్లాడాలండి మీరు, అట్లా ఊకోవద్దు. యు ఆర్ నాట్ సపోజ్ టు బి సైలెంట్. సే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే శుభోదయం అని చెప్పండి, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అని చెప్పండి, నమస్కారం అని చెప్పండి, మొత్తం మీద చెప్పండి. వై డు యు టేక్ దట్ మచ్ టైం? దట్ ఆర్ యు నాట్ దట్ మచ్ కన్వర్సెంట్ విత్ ఆన్ అండ్ ఓకే, I saw your face. Now can turn off your video and you can on your only audio. Now you tell me what is the deficiency service ఏ సెక్షన్ కింద డీల్ అవుతుంది చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్. చెప్పాలా? 17 సిరీస్ మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక 1 year బ్యాక్ లో ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు బ్యాక్లాగ్ లో ఉన్నారు మీరు. ఎందుకంటే ఇది 18 సిరీస్ ఉన్నది, మీరు చెప్పలేకుండా మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్లాగ్ అయిపోతారు మీరు. చెప్పాలా? డెఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్ అంటే ఏంటిది? అచ్చా, ఏ సెక్షన్ కింద వస్తుంది డెఫిషియన్సీ? సెక్షన్ చెప్పకుండా పర్వాలేదు, దాని డెఫిషియన్సీ అంటే ఏంటి చెప్పండి, తెలుగులో చెప్పండి. మాట్లాడాలండి, మాట్లాడాలి. ఒక కనీసం చేసిన సార్ ఐఎమ్ డమ్ అని చెప్పండి, చెప్పండి ఐఎమ్ డమ్ సార్ అని చెప్పండి. హౌ ఏ డమ్ మ్యాన్ కెన్ స్పీక్?
I think there is some problem with signal.
అందుకోసమే అంటా నేను చిలుకకు చెప్పినట్టు చెప్తా. ఏంటంటే కనీసం ఆన్ ఆఫ్ చేసి రాగానే ముందుగా ఆన్ చేసి నెంబర్ పెరగగానే ఆన్ చేసి దట్ యూ సే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. ఎస్, నౌ ద ఎగ్జామినర్ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ ద వన్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఇష్యూస్? జస్ట్ యూ రీడ్ ద ఇష్యూస్ ఎనఫ్. ఓకే, గో అవుట్, వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. Because at least they may ask this much, not that much which I trained. Suppose if they may ask also, then the problem comes. That's why that I am taking all these pains. So it's coming to the point. కనీసం మాకు తెలియదు సార్ అంటే ఎవరికైనా కొంచెం ఆన్ ఆఫ్ ఒక్క నిమిషం వరకు ఎవరన్నా ఆఫ్ ఆన్ చేయడం నువ్వు చెప్పి ఒక్కసారి బయటపడ్డా అంటే తర్వాత ఏం కాదు. మరి మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ ఆన్లైన్ లో అయితే ఎట్లా చేస్తారు మీరు?
There is problem with her signals.
ఎస్ దట్ ఈస్ కనీసం ఫోన్ చేసి అన్న చెప్పండి నాకు. సార్ ఫోన్ చేసిన కానీ మీరు లేపుతలేరు సార్. Okay, now comes deficiency of service means it is a fault or imperfection, shortcomings or inadequacy in the quality and nature and manner of the performance which is required to be maintained by under any law for the time being in force and has been undertaken to be performed by a person in pursuance of the contract or otherwise in relation to any service. డెఫిషియన్సీ సర్వీస్ అంటే సర్వీస్లలో కూడా డెఫిషియన్సీ ఉండొచ్చు, డెఫిషియన్సీ ఇన్ ద మ్యాటర్లో కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇంపరక్షన్ లో కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫిషియన్సీ. జనరలీ డెఫిషియన్సీ కమ్స్ టు ద సర్వీస్ మోస్ట్లీ, డిఫెక్ట్ కమ్స్ టు ద మెటీరియల్. Yes, that is the one you have to keep in your mind. And who is not a consumer, generally we will say, and everybody knows this answer, who is not a consumer. Let me check it, any person, at least I will pick out one person to ask whether he knows it or she knows it or not. Let me try what 10454 18 series 1054 on your video audio 1054 on your audio. Yes, very good. Speak.
Consumer is a person.
చెప్పాలా?
Hello.
చెప్పాలా? చెప్పాలా?
If a person buys for himself, then he is a consumer.
Who is not a consumer?
For resale, if he purchase for resale or for any business purpose, then he is not a consumer.
Xerox machine owner is a consumer or not?
No, he is not a consumer.
He is a consumer because he is making the Xerox for his livelihood. Hence we can say he is a consumer. Okay, now close off your video and audio and everything. Now, yes, now I will ask the another point to the another person. He was, yes, I am, sir, I am in a village, sir, signal problem, sir. ఓకే, కనీసం ఒకసారన్నా సిటీ దిక్కన రాండి, విలేజ్ దిక్కన రాండి. ఏది 11108 17 సిరీస్. ఎస్, రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలా మీరు? ఎక్కడైతే సిగ్నల్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటావో అక్కడ వచ్చి కూర్చోవాలా. లేకుంటే ఇంటికాడికి వెళ్ళి చేసిన అనుకోండి అండ్ యూ విల్ బి ఫెయిల్డ్. సో కనీసం ఎక్కడైతే సిగ్నల్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటావో అక్కడికి వచ్చి కూర్చొని కనీసం ఆ రోజైనా మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చింది అనుకోండి, మీ సిరీస్ అంటే
Don't,
17 సిరీస్.
please don't say such harsh words, sir.
పడన్
Please don't say such harsh words.
ఏమని? Okay. I take back my words. Okay. Yes, please come and sit at the signals where the signals are more on the day when the examinations are going on, because at least they would like to hear your voice. Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Now that the point is, see, the signal problems will, those who are having the again, I am requesting you, those who are having the signal problems, please, on the particular day when the examiners are there, you go to a particular place where the signals are very strong, and from there you can give the answer, then you can leave the meeting. Is it okay? Yes. Now coming
Okay,
to the
sir.
point. Yes. Shall I proceed? Yes. Now I will go to the next participant. Let me ask, because where we are here. Yes. What is the difference between a currency and a thing? Sorry, better you can use the in that way. What is the difference between a goods or things? Anyone can give the answer. Yes. Hearing me.
We use them for our daily use, sir.
What is that?
A thing can be anything. Generally, goods refers to the things that we use in our daily course routine.
Okay, now I will take it. What about the currency? Currency is a goods or a thing?
Currency, that is a good, sir.
Currency, 500 rupees note is not a goods.
It's a thing.
It is a thing. So 500 rupees is not a goods, it is a thing we have to make. And I believe that everybody knows the contract of service and contract for service. Is it or not? Let me check it. A particular person to see whether they know the what is the contract of service and yes. Now I can make it out. I don't know 1038 on your audio. You give me the answer. 1038.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Very good. That is the style of making the things. Contract of service, contract for service. అంటే ఏంటిది? Do you know it?
Yes, sir. Contract of service means whatever they wrote in the agreement in the contract. Okay, if that is called service. Contract of service contract of service అంటే సర్వెంట్ మాస్టర్ అండ్ సర్వెంట్ ఉన్నాను సార్. అది సర్వీసెస్ కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్.
Yes, at least you tried your level best. I could appreciate it. Anyone can give the right answer for that one. Of course, she is also right, but it's something a bit round. The answer is yes. Yes, anyone can give the answer for the contract of service and contract for service. Yes. ఇప్పుడు మనము కుప్పర్ మనిషిని పెట్టుకున్నామండి ఇల్లు కట్టడానికి ఆ గోడ కట్టడానికి. ఇది కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్ ఆ కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఫర్ సర్వీస్?
Contract of service, sir.
ఫర్ సర్వీస్.
Contract of service.
కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్ ఎప్పుడైతుందంటే సార్, ఇట్ ఇంప్లాయిస్ ఏ రిలేషన్షిప్ ఆఫ్ మాస్టర్ అండ్ సర్వెంట్ అండ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ టు ఒబే ద ఆర్డర్ ఇన్ ద వర్క్స్ టు బి పెర్ఫార్మ్డ్ అండ్ యాజ్ టు ఇట్స్ మోడ్ అండ్ ఏ మేనర్ ఆఫ్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్, అండ్ దాన్ని అప్పుడు కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్ అంటారు. అంటే మాస్టర్ సర్వెంట్ రిలేషన్షిప్ ఉంటే కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్ అవుతుంది. అలాంటి రిలేషన్ లేనప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఫర్ సర్వీస్.
సర్వీస్.
Sir, ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అంతే.
Simple. When there is relationship of owner and servant, that is contract of service.
Yes, that is the answer that we have to make it out. So that is the chauffeur అంటారు, టాక్సీ డ్రైవర్ అంటారు. వీటిలో కాంట్రాక్ట్ సర్వీస్ ఎవరు, కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఫర్ సర్వీస్ ఎవరు?
Chauffeur contract for service, sir.
A taxi driver is a contract for service, but a chauffeur means our driver, own house driver, he is called contract of service. That is the difference between the. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఉంటారు రాస్తారు చూడండి, గూడ్స్ వన్ సోల్డ్ విల్ నాట్ బి టేకెన్ బ్యాక్, నో ఎక్స్చేంజ్, no refund of any circumstances, cycles are kept at owner risk, we are not responsible for the belongings, your belongings, and రాస్తారు చూడండి. Whether that is valid?
నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ వ్యాలిడ్ సార్, కానీ వాళ్ళ జమానా నడుస్తుంది.
There is no contract, so that is not valid.
Whether it amounts to unfair trade practice and does not carry any legal weight. I repeat, it amounts to unfair trade practice and does not carry any legal weight. So, if anybody writes on it that we are not responsible, we are not, it is not a disclaimer clause, because that is a adhesive contract mostly, and where it cannot be binding factor.
So it
that
can
is
be
a-
challenged.
Yeah, it can be challenged. Now, just a question of the what are the rights guaranteed under the Consumer Protection Act? There are round about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there are 6 rights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rights are there given under the Consumer Act. What are those rights?
Replacement of deficient goods, sir.
That is one of the right we can that, but in broadly we can say right to safety is one of the right. A right to be informed is another right. A right to choose, third right. Right to be heard, fourth right. Right to redressal, that is the redressal comes over there. There is the fifth right. That means the right to seek redressal against the unfair trade practices or restrictive trade practices or unscrupulous exploitation of consumers. So these are the, and the last one is right to consumer education also there. So total 6 rights are given over there. Total 6 rights. These
Sir,
are the,
do we need the guarantee card and bill to claim certain things in consumer commissions?
suppose if they say, what is the proof that you purchased that goods from that shop? What is your answer?
So one is enough.
Bill, sir.
Is bill enough?
Yeah, something proof should be there that you purchased the things from that shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a very important factor. ఓకే, మనం ప్రాబ్లం 1 మూట్ కోర్టులో రాశాము రిటర్న్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ అని. రిటర్న్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ గా ఇంకేం రాయొచ్చండి?
Memorial, sir.
మెమోరియల్స్ అని రాయొచ్చు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్లూ కవర్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం 1?
Complainant.
Complainant is a blue cover with the so and so that and what is the pecuniary jurisdiction? Of course, Dr. Saab has made already clear it. Now, according to the new law, yes, anybody can repeat. According to the new law, what is the pecuniary jurisdiction?
District court, it is 1 crore, sir.
Yes,
For state commission, it is below 10 crores, from 1 crore to 10 crores.
yes,
Beyond 10 crores, it is national commission.
yes. That is the according to the new law. But according to the old law,
20 lakhs, it is a district forum.
below 20 or 20 lakhs below, it is a district forum. More than 20 lakhs is the state. More than 1 crore is the
Beyond 1 crore, it is national commission.
national commission would be there. Suppose if you fail in the national commission, where do you go?
Supreme Court, sir.
To the Supreme Court or High Court, sir?
No High Court, only Supreme Court.
Only Supreme Court.
Only Supreme Court. So now the time is 10:16. I would like to wind up in the first session only. I don't want to start the second session because most of the people are very much very versed in this first problem. And now I would like to ask, who is the father of modern consumer movement? Modern consumer movement father. I will answer is Ralph Nader is considered the father of the modern day consumer. Ralph Nader. And That is the person who say. What are the other name for the issues?
Points.
Points.
Points and questions.
Good, good. Yes, yes. Generally issues ఒక్క లైన్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండద్దండి ఇష్యూస్ ఎప్పుడైనా సరే. యూ కీప్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్. అచ్చా, దెన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద అనదర్ నేమ్ ఫర్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్?
Statement of
ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ కి అదర్ వేరే పేరేంటి ఇది స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ కి? సార్ మీరు ఎప్పుడు చెప్పలేదు సార్ ఇది.
authorities.
అథారిటీస్ అంటే అది సపోర్టెడ్ కేసెస్ ని అథారిటీస్ అంటారు.
Details of the case, sir.
స్టేట్మెంట్
Details
ఆఫ్
of the
ఫ్యాక్ట్స్
case. Contents of the case.
Points.
we can write but very less I found the details of the case, but I found synopsis of facts or a synopsis of facts or a brief summary of facts.
Brief summary of facts.
Yes, these are the things that can be used over there. And న్యూ యాక్ట్ లో 2019 లో సిసిపిఐ అని ఉన్నదండి. ఆ సిసిపిఐ అంటే ఏంటిదండి? 2019 లో సెంట్రల్ కన్స్యూమర్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ అథారిటీ. There is a central government will set up a central consumer protection authority that is called a CCPA to promote, perfect, protect and enforce the right of consumers. It will regulate matters related to the violation of the consumer
Sir, what
rights.
is this Competition Act?
Yeah, Competition Act is different because MRTP Act is removed over there, then the Competition Act has come into the place. In the Competition Act, you are not supposed to go beyond the rate of particular thing. If you go, suppose I want to sell it free of cost, and people will not agree to that one because it is untrade.
Even for lowering the prices also there is certain limit.
Yeah, there is a certain limit should be there. You want to get a gift, okay, that is a different issue. So that may be there because they want to maintain the standard. Otherwise, the
Example
people
can
will
be cited, sir.
Pardon?
The ongoing one example can be cited. The going competition among these cell companies, that
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
BSNL, Reliance, all these companies that can be cited in the Competition Act.
Yes, yes. But of course, somebody keep the less rates, but we should not keep the rest that much rate where the government made a fixed rate. You should not be supposed to sell less than that also, because the contracting authority would be there. Otherwise, other companies becomes paupers. So that was the idea behind it. And then generally they may ask the question Consumer Protection Act 2019 and when it came into effect. It may be also.
July
Yeah.
20th,
July 20.
2020.
Because some of the provisions came into the 24th July and some of the provisions are made in the 20th
Most
July.
of them came into force from July 20th, sir.
Yes, yes.
Some provisions came from July 24th.
24th. Only the 2 days are given over there. And when the president has signed his Ramnath Kovind, that the president who signed it on 9th August and published in the Gazette. And then I say, red cover, I already told you that that is the written argument submitted on behalf of the opposite party is the red cover. And sign and symbol, ampersand. Yeah, I already told you that ampersand is a Latin terminology and its equivalent is and. What is inadvertent act? Inadvertent act. Anyway.
Not
Improper act. Improper act.
Yes,
Not
yes, yes. Yeah, you are right. You are right. And inadvertent action is one that you do without realizing what you are doing. The government has said it was an inadvertent error. That is the wording that you used over there. And if I could ask that, what is the provisions of appeal? What is your answer?
Consumer, sir.
Yeah.
See,
అప్పీల్ కి ఏం ప్రొవిజన్స్ కావాలా? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఎక్కడికి పోవచ్చు అప్పీల్ కి?
So appeal to State Commission and from State Commission to National Commission and from there to Supreme Court.
If you are aggrieved by the district commission, then you can go for the appeal to the state commission.